Your Cat S61's thermal imaging camera can be used to measure temperatures, typically accurate to within a few degrees. You can measure temperatures between -20 degrees Celsius up to 120 degrees Celsius, or with the high temperature mode enabled, sometimes called low gain mode, right up to 400 degrees Celsius. To measure temperatures in live view, open the MyFlir app. Once initialized, point the camera at the object you wish to measure the surface temperature of. If you're likely to need to take a measurement over 120 degrees Celsius, select the flame icon at the top of the screen to enable the high temperature mode. Otherwise, ensure it is disabled, shown with the line through it for the most accurate results. Then select the spot meter icon to reveal the submenu of measurement tools, and select it again. This will add a spot meter to the screen that shows the surface temperature of that point. Either point the camera so that the spot meter targets the object, or tap and drag the spot meter to another point on the screen. You can add up to 3 spot meters. To remove them, tap and hold on any measurement tool on the screen and a pop-up menu will appear. Either delete that individual tool or all of them. You can also add a small, scalable region of interest box, or a box that covers the whole screen by selecting the small or large box measurement icons. To resize the small region of interest box, simply tap and drag from any of its corners. These boxes show the average temperatures across the area of the image. Tap and hold on the edges of the box to bring up a pop-up menu. From here, you can delete the box, but you can also add minimum and maximum temperature data labels if that is of interest. You can capture an image with measurement tools in place, or you can add them to a thermal image you captured earlier. To do this, find the image you want to add measurements to in the MyFlir gallery. Then, select the Edit Pencil icon. You'll then see controls to add spot meters and region of interest boxes to the image, just as in the live view. Add the tools you want and tap Save to keep them. If you wish to switch the unit of measurement from degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit, from the live camera view, select the menu icon in the top left corner, then the Settings icon. From this menu, you can toggle the temperature units between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Learn more at catphones.com.